friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in my dining room and I'm going to be decorating my hutch back here using most of those items that I showed you on my previous video that I had made for spring. But you know what, before we get started, I have to tell you something really funny. So yesterday my husband went to the store and got a few items and he came back and he noticed, because on my dining room table, and you can see some things on here, I'll show you how it looks. I went down to the basement and got a few things and I put them on the Facebook Marketplace. So I had to take everything off of the dining room table. And it was just leftover decor that I had thought about using over here in our family room. So I put it all on my shelves, my new bookcases over there. And my husband goes, "Did you decorate?" And I go, "Does it really look like I decorated?" So I want to show you real quick how the formal living room looks. And then I'm going to show you my table in here, what's going on in the dining room. But I'm only going to be doing the hutch right now because I need to sell these items hopefully here soon. I did sell one canister set, and I have somebody who wants to buy my rooster cookie jar. So I'm going to show you the stuff on here that I have for sale and what I'm planning on doing here on the hutch. So let's go check out the formal living room first. All right, so here is my formal living room right now. I have stuff thrown in here. I just have a bunch of greenery. This is some items that I had been thinking about using in the family room, and I didn't. I might still, because I still have to do my entertainment center, but they were all on the dining room table. So I just threw it on here, but you know what? You can tell that it does look better with some height up here. And again, still gotta get that medallion up there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it or not. But I was like, I just can't. I didn't think that he would think that I would really decorate like this. I mean, come on, I have some plastic bags over there with things in it on there. I just thought it was so funny. Just had to show you. So, and funny, after I did my video, I think a day afterwards, somebody contacted me about the love seat, but then they said it was wrong size. So I don't know what they were looking for. So it's not couch, it's a love seat, so it is smaller, but it is an oversized one. So I brought some bins up here, and I have the items that I made over here. I brought some bunnies up and this bunny wreath. And of course, this is the items that I am selling. I have this canister set here, and this one here, and then I have my 3 pieces here. And this is the item that I have somebody coming to get today. And I know I love these things, but I have so many roosters. So, I'd rather not have the cookie jar one or these. I mean, if they don't sell, that's okay. I'll still use them as my decor. All right, so let's go ahead and get started over here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this shelf here. I'm actually going to change out all the greenery that's on here, and I'm going to go with more this color. So I'm going to take those 2 pieces off and add these 2. Now I've taken the greenery off of the middle shelf, and I'm going to add this piece. I think I'm just going to use one, maybe some tulips, and maybe some of the eggs. I'm going to get this on here first, and let me grab the other items. Okay, so I added that greenery pick here, and I also added a little bit of the greenery in here. And you know what? I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to decorate with the pink and the green, but I'm also going to add in some touches of shabby chic with like jute. So let's see what I can find here real quick. Okay, the first thing I did was add in 2 of those eggs that I did on my last video, and I just dropped something. All right, let me grab it. So this is something that I made, I might have done it last spring. This is one of those little baskets that you get from the Dollar Tree, and this is how I changed it up. I know there's a video somewhere. I'll probably try to find that for you. So I'm going to set that on here, and then I think I'm just going to put some tulips in here. Okay, so I added some green and pink tulips on here, and I don't think I have a small enough bunny, so I want to add some bunnies here. How about we go down to here, to this shelf here, and I'll add some bunnies. Now I've removed all the greenery from here, and I'm actually going to remove this pair too, because I have these cute little boy and girl bunnies that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. And they are going to sit right here with some greenery, some flowers, and maybe some eggs. Alright, so I put one of the eggs over here, and I have the greenery with the tulips, and I put a little nest over here. So I think I'm going to go over, just to move a little bit. Let's go over here and do the decorations up here. Alright, so I cleared all the greenery off, and I took the artichoke off of my little candy dish here because I'm going to put, guess what, an egg in there. Yeah, maybe two. Alright, let's get started on getting that shelf done. Alright, so I put a little bit of greenery, I have my eggs, and that cute little bunny right there is another one of those Dollar Tree items that I redid, I think, last year. Again, I'm going to go ahead and link that video down below so you can check out all the items that I had made for my shabby chic. And I still need to get some tulips to put in there. Alright, so I have the shelf done now, and I'm going to take my spring sign that I made, pin this down, and I'm just going to hang it right here, like so. I decided not to decorate in there, instead hang this here. I may put some color in there just for the background, I don't know yet. Alright, so now we're going to head down to the bottom. Alright, so this is the next spot I'm going to do. I'm going to take away all the greenery, I'm going to leave everything else here, and we will add maybe a bunny or two. Okay, I've added this little bunny here, so now I got from Pier 1 many years ago, and these two eggs here, I'm going to add some more greenery and some tulips. Alright, so I just added a little nest, added one of my eggs that I made with just a regular decorative egg, and added greenery with some tulips. Okay, so now let's kind of come over here and see what I can figure out to put over here on this side. Alright, I changed my mind. I decided to put a little bit of color in here. This is an egg that I made, and I got my tulips in here, some greenery. There's that little tuna can there that I set a glass frog in and just set the stems in. So now I think we got enough color in here. So I'll shut it. You can see the color, and I can hang the sign back up. Look, you can still see everything. Okay. It was kind of bugging me a little bit. All right. I'm still trying to figure out what to put here, so let me go see what I can find. I think gotta take a trip down to the basement. See if I can find a little basket or something to put there. Alright, so I just put a little bit of greenery here. And I didn't have any small natural looking baskets the way I wanted to look like an Easter basket, but I have this crystal one that I have. It was my mom's. And I just filled it with a bunch of different flowers. I thought it'd be prettier that way. Instead of just using the tulips. And I think I'm just going to tuck this nest in here too. So we'll put this like so. Alright, kind of like that. Alright. So that is everything here. Let's kind of go up, check it out, and then now I'm going to move the camera differently. We're going to put some stuff up here too, way up there. Alright, so let me get the camera situated and we will get up top. Alright, so here it is, the top. I'm going to go ahead and take all that greenery down because we're going to put different greenery up there and add a few items. Okay, I took the greenery down and you can see that I added these two white pieces, which are some candle holders. Now I'm going to put those big green eggs in there that I made. Okay, I think they look perfect up here. I might need to do a little bit of tweaking with that one on the left. But next I want to add some greenery in with the soup tureens. Alright, so that's all I'm going to do on there, but you know what? I think I need a bunny to put in front of that wreath. So I'm going to go down the basement and find me a cute white bunny to put there. Alright, so I decided to put two bunnies up here. Oh no, Mr. Bunny. What are you doing up there? Mr. Bunny has been mad at me. I haven't brought him out of the basement yet, so I guess he decided to come up and he wants to be decorated with. Mr. Bunny, you just don't look good up there. He's a chocolate bunny. I'm going to get him down. He's actually going to go in my kitchen this year. So let me get him down and put up my two white bunnies. Okay, so here are the two bunnies that I chose. These are my favorite two white bunnies that I have. I got them at Home Goods many years ago. And every time I move, they come in the car with me. Yeah. Don't want to get them broken. Let's just quickly check this out. I decided I'm not going to add any more. I think I have enough in here. You know, I still got to decorate the buffet and the table. Okay, so I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and we'll look at it much closer. Well, I just had to add some flowers to the bunnies. They looked a little bare. I think they look so much better having the tulips in their arms. And I do have the links down below showing how I did the Dollar Tree basket and the bunny head, so be sure to check those out. Alright, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I would appreciate a big thumbs up from everyone. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the bell so you'll get all the notifications of my new videos coming up. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.